Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. My name is Shamari Clark. Bang! Welcome. All right. So, guys, we've got some good news today. All good news today. Hodlers. Yes, there's all good news today. So, story number one, Coinbase. So, I'm going to talk. This is the story number one. So, we'll get there when we get there. Coinbase crypto additions. So, there's going to be some additional cryptos on Coinbase to trade. Bang, 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 bang. And the Coinbase thing, really, the story for me isn't really that they're going to give retail investors things to trade, but as we know that Coinbase has their custody solution, Coinbase has their new institutional investor solutions, and to me, that's what matters, because I don't really, look. I mean, I have a few Bitcoins, but everything that's talked about are Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin futures coming on the market. I want to see institutional investors be able to get their hands on some VeChain, some IOTA, some other goods. You know what I mean? So we're going to talk about that. I'll get all into it. We'll get into that. And then we're going to do this Ethereum. And so this is what I mean. So Ethereum futures. So there's going to be some Ethereum futures coming out. That's going to be good for Ethereum hodlers. Bang. And then TRON. Holy TRON, man. Look. TRON. I could literally do this could be the TRON show. I could just have it, cryptocurrency TRON show. Because the guy, Justin Sun, that's the CEO of TRON, like they just keep coming out with stuff every single day. The truth is, there's a lot of stuff that has come out, but I just don't tell you guys because it's like, holy man, I don't want people being like, man, well, why you always talk about TRON? Why don't you talk about something else, something? So I actually limit, I put a limit on myself. But this one was too good. This one today, oh, this is big news. This is big news. So bang, bang, bang. We're going to talk about TRON seed germinator success. That's that new seed germinator thing they have. It's basically an in-house, what do you call that? Crowdfunding thing. And then we're going to do shout-outs and airdrops. Bang. So, you know how we start things around here, though. Bang, bang, bang. We start with a little market look, a little peek at the markets. And how else do? We do a little refresh so we get it on the point. As of 1:10 a.m., bang, what's the market looking like? Bang, there it is. All right. Oh, little green. Oh, Bitcoin Cash, look at you. All right, but let's do how we usually do. Let's do this in order. Let's have some sort of fucking order around these parts. All right. Top 10 of the day. And first all right, so let's do it. Top 10 of the day, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano, and Monero. Bang. Now, yo. It's not showing here, but Ripple took the second spot again today. For a period of time, but now it's not. So whatever, I guess that's not such big news. Anyways, let's look at the market moves of the day. Well, I know Bitcoin Cash is 21% right there. That is extreme, but it looks like low single digits down. Sorry, my bad. Down, green. That's my Freudian slip. I wish they were down. Wish something would go on sale for, damn it. See, it's getting too close, guys. The money's getting too close, man. We're not going to have many more sale days, I don't think. Shit. Anyway, we'll discuss all that as we go forward together. All right, low single digits down. Low single digits up. Stop saying that, you moron. Low single digits up. Low to mid single digits up. What is wrong with you? That's the dream in my heart that's going on. That's why. Low to mid single digits up. Low to mid single digits up. All right. There we go. Holy man. Okay, well, let's look at our top 10 earners of the day. Bang. Oh, look at this bad boy. 54.03 for Eternal Token. That doesn't look like a very proper chart. That looks like all manner of price manipulation to me. It's just too, it's just too straight. Anyways, that's my trader eye looking at stuff. I could be wrong, so let me not say something bad about someone. Okay, so let's get to our top. Oh, I'm 30%. Who's this? Oh, Electronium. See, I told you about those guys. I got to find out what they do. I really am going to find out. because there's a lot of Electronium lovers out there. All right, but let's go through our top 10. Eternal Token, Electronium, Bitcoin Cash, Steam, Chainlink, Bitcoin Gold, Waves, Dragon Chain, ARC, and Qcoin shares. Bang. All right. See what the total market cap is. See what we're talking about with that. 215 and change, so going up slowly, going up slowly. And like yesterday, we're at a nice 15 billion in volume. Like we know, I'll just say this right now. I think we'll be between 10 and 20 in volume every day because it's just retail investors right now till the institutional investors get here, right? So, I mean, we're still going to report on it, but just, I guess I'm giving you my 2 cents about it. All right, so anyways, bang! Coinbase opens public listing application. Promises rapid addition of new crypto. So this was a funny story. Actually, I was going to report this yesterday to you guys, but they were like, we're going to do it soon. So I was like, all right, well, when they do it, I'll report it. See how these morons do? Coinbase. I'm going to call it getting Coinbased. Coinbase always pretends that they're going to do something, down the road. And then all of a sudden, the next day, they'll just drop it on you, right? You guys remember, if you've been here long enough, the crew, and anyone else who's, stuck around for that long, you remember when we were talking about Coinbase having their custody solutions? And they were like, oh, yeah, we're applying. We have our applications in and all this, right? That was a Friday. Remember that? That was a Friday. And what happened the next Monday? Oh, Coinbase had their custody solution and 12 hedge funds already lined up, already in it. Just like, what the hell? So that's what we're going to call it. We're going to call it getting Coinbased because that's what these guys are all trying to do. Charles Schwab is being sneaky, poaching folk and quietly setting up trading desks. JP Morgan is quietly doing whatever. We catch them, but so we're going to call that getting Coinbased from now on. So I got Coinbased with this story yesterday, but here we are today. Surprise, surprise, Coinbase is live and good. Here we go. So Coinbase has announced on 25 December 2018 that it will be rapidly listing all possible cryptocurrencies via an application form that is open to the public. Currently, Coinbase only offers Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, and Ethereum Classic, which is a limited selection for a global class crypto exchange. It's a very limited selection, but you know why. We've talked about that here a million times. Coinbase only offers those because those are the ones that the SEC said they're going to look at as commodities, not securities, not stocks. And so, Coinbase feels safe by doing that. But apparently, they're about to open the floodgates here. And it's interesting how they're doing it. And we'll read and we'll get to that. That's like the end of the article. So let's look. Coinbase says that each cryptocurrency added via this public application process will have its own listing announcement, which would probably be the moment a rally starts for that crypto. As the exchange adds currencies, it could cause a widespread rally across the crypto space. There are nearly 2,000 cryptocurrencies on market cap, and based on Coinbase's announcement, it plans on listing every single one. Holy. They're like, we're going to list every single one, but what? This is the key. Oh, you did not just press that, Shamari. Hold on. I got to go back. My bad, guys. Oh, I'm not going to have my... Anyways, they plan to list every single one that is what? Legal. This will allow it to better compete with exchanges like Huobi, OKX, Binance, Bittrex, which already have dozens to hundreds of cryptos. It can be expected that its trading volume will drastically rise since it will be much more versatile, giving customers the trading diversity they need, versus now where customers often take their Bitcoin off Coinbase to trade on exchanges like Binance, where there are far more currencies listed. Now, I don't really talk about these exchanges adding coins and shit because actually it doesn't matter. If I have Ripples already, I already have them. By you adding Ripples over there, it's not going to magically make me go buy more of them. I might buy them from you next time I buy my next round of Ripples. But it's not actually going to add anything to the market. It's really just going to take customers away from other exchanges and add it to theirs. But what is good is that Coinbase is an institutional. Hold on, let's get to it. Another important aspect of Coinbase's listing process is that it will list as many cryptos as possible according to local government regulations. And this is the important part. We know that Coinbase already has custodianship. Yeah. And they have the broker dealership, right? They bought the two companies. So they have custodianship, broker dealership, and then they've already done their own exchange. So they have that exchange. Sorry with the middle finger, guys. What else do they need? Custodian, broker dealership. Insurance, but you can get insurance outside, so that doesn't matter. And that is going to cause our tokens to rise. Once institutional investors, look, a new exchange listing new tokens does fuck all right now. Who cares? All your neighbor is going to do, all I'm going to do, I'll tell you right now, because I want my stuff off of Binance. It's a Chinese company, and you don't know, the Chinese might just lock them down, just ban them or something. And then now we're screwed. Now I'm screwed. And so I'm going to move all my stuff to Coinbase. But is it going to make me buy more stuff? No. Right? No more money is going to come into this crypto space because Coinbase lists something. Right? It's not like people were out there and like, oh, I'm just waiting for Coinbase to list it, then I'll buy it. No. If you wanted Ripples, you already have them. You want a VeChain, you already have it. You want Ethereums. Well, they already have Ethereums, but you want IOTAs, well, you already have them. So by Coinbase listing IOTAs isn't going to make more people come and buy more IOTAs. But what I like about it is twofold. I like it that, well, first of all, I live in America. And I want my fucking shit here with an American company. I know I can sue them. You know what I mean? I'm not going to have to fly to China to sue for my crypto. And secondly, though, the most important thing is, though, what's important is not that they're listing crypto for us retailers, you and I, to buy. Who cares? I don't care if you buy 1,000 more Ripple. That's not going to do anything to the price. But what's beautiful is that American institutional investors are going to see a platform that has what? Oh, you've got all these coins. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and you've got custody for me to keep my customers, my clients' coins in safely, regulated and all that. Oh, and you have a broker dealership. So I can buy physical coin. I'm not just trading. Look, dude, that's the trifecta right there. And that's why I'm telling you this Coinbase story, the unleashing of institutional investors, And that's the other thing. Look. I'm not all, just super pro-American or something, but look. I feel a lot safer with my stuff in an American exchange. I told you about the Forex market. When it first started, all those guys were getting ripped off by those European exchanges, man. Like, they would put their money in, trade Forex for a few months, try to take some profits out. Bang, the exchange would just be like, didn't answer you, just took your money. It wasn't funny. Anyways, so that's why I'm bringing up this story. All right, and there's also some good stuff here, though. Another important aspect of Coinbase's listing process is that it will list as many cryptos as possible. So they're going all out according to local government regulations. And this is what we talked about yesterday when we talked about the, what the fuck was that called? What was that exchange we talked about yesterday? Hold on, let me look right here. Oh, backed. Bang. There we go. Backed. Oh, Edwin. He loves that shit. I'm loving it too, though. Backed. Right? In other words, according to local government regulations, these guys are getting slick. Backed. Not slick. Smart. They're doing it right. Backed. Coinbase. Gemini. Boom, boom, boom. They are bending over backwards to regulate themselves for the SEC and get us our institutional investor money. Institutional investors are only coming here with fully regulated and licensed, all of it. We talked about it, end-to-end solutions. It's got to be all licensed and big, or they don't play in these parts. They're not like us. They don't have to pay rent. Well, you guys have to pay rent. I don't have to pay rent, but you know what I mean? They're not desperate. They got a lot of loot. They can wait, and they wait till it gets made nice. Once it's made nice, though, oh my gosh. Luck. We've talked about it before. Luck. Don't worry. I'm not going to get too fueled, actually, because I got to trade tonight. It's 1:22 in the morning. But you see this market cap, 215. 10, $20 billion hedge funds will double this whole market. That's what's going to happen. I mean, more than that, though. I mean, we're going to have over a $2 trillion market. I'll tell you that. Market cap? Well, I'll tell you that. We're probably going to have about $500 to $700 billion of volume in trading a day. Believe me. Look. I'm a Forex guy. I've been in the markets 18 years. Go to forexfactory.com. Type in my name, SHOMARI. Go down, halfway down on the left. Look at my trades. Go on the right. You can see all my posts. Bang, you're talking to a real market guy. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. My money makes me money. That's how I live. My money makes me money for 18 years. And so believe me, I know all about markets. And believe me when I tell you you're going to be rich, you are going to be rich. A little shitty little market like this, you can't stuff $2 trillion in that without motherfuckers' assets exploding. Now we talked about which assets. You got to have some of the 36 with working product. Has to have working product. I know I shit on them, but luck. Fuck all that hemp coin. Yeah. I know you kids like it. You like to smoke your weed. Look. Just get stuff that's good, all right? You got to get stuff that major corporations, major governments. Now, bang, here we go. And this is the kind of stuff I'm talking about right here. And the reason I talk about this stuff is twofold. It shows you how institutions, well, just how markets really work. I bet you guys didn't even know what a ETF or a futures was when you started all this. Right? But these are avenues of wealth. Sorry. Hold on. Let me just get fueled a little bit. We're not going to go all out tonight, though, but just a little fuel, just a little bit. Fuck. Actually, I'm not really even in the mood right now. That's the thing, guys. When I do these shows, I know. It looks like I love. Sometimes I'm just not in the mood. I know I live in South Beach, so you can't admit that kind of shit, but you know, sometimes I just feel to be clear-headed. Fuck. But I know I start talking my ass off when I get a little fuel in me, so that's good for you because I explain what futures and ETFs and derivatives and everything are. So, and the reason I explain that stuff to you guys, man, are you going to talk about crypto? Why are you talking about all that market shit? Well, because you're going to be rich one day. And what are you going to do? You're going to go back to work? No, you're going to turn into a fucking full-time investor. I'm an investor, full-time. My money makes me money for 18 years. If I wanted a 9-to-5 job, I couldn't have one if I wanted to. I don't have anything on a resume, right? They're going to be like, what'd you do for 18 years? Took down, slayed motherfuckers in the Forex market, made money in the Forex market, right? And anyways, that's not the point, though. The point is, you're going to be rich. And when you get that money, when the institutional investors get here and you sell them your cryptocurrency warehouse, well, what are you going to do? You're going to go back to work? Well, no, you have to keep your money making money, right? I mean, are you going to go back to work? I mean, if you like the rat race, or some people feel fulfilled from their jobs. I mean, if you're saving dolphins or whales or something, maybe that makes you feel good and stuff. So, all right, you're going to get rich off your warehouse, and then bang, you're going to continue to save the whales. Great. But I think majority of you, somehow, you're looking to get this. You're looking to get that warehouse sold and get the fuck out the rat race, right? You're looking to get the fuck out that 9-to-5 shit. Answer to some jackass who doesn't even know what his own company does. Hold on. I'm being silly. But seriously, right? That's what you want to do, right? And so that's why I'm kind of seeding your minds with stuff. That's why I tell you guys about futures and ETFs, and I explain to you. And that's why I'm telling you to get Investopedia and listen to me while I talk to you. Okay? Look, all those crypto guys out there on YouTube and stuff, they're going to tell you all about the techie, the nodes, proof of this and proof of that, and, you know, what's going to go on and on. Great. But if you want to make money, you got to come here and you got to stay here. Because I'm going to show you the money for the long term, right? Now you're going to have a bunch of money. You're going to have millions. You're going to have millions of dollars. Now, what are you going to do with it? Do you know that 95% of lottery lottery winners, they go broke after 5 years? You know why? They don't know what to do with the money. Yeah, that's a school teacher. She doesn't know. So she wins $5 million. So what do they do? What do they all do? They're all so dumb. Not dumb. They're just worker bees. And so they think they made it. So they go buy a $2 million mansion. Bang, buy like another $1 million worth of cars. Bang, $1 million worth of furniture. Yeah, you got to pay for all that shit. You got to pay the insurance on your cars, right? And the upkeep. Repairing a Lamborghini. I have a buddy. He has a exotic car rental place here. So a lot of these guys, you see them driving Lambos. Actually, they just rent them from my buddy. Yo, do you know a Lambo is so low to the ground? When it scrapes the ground, dude, it costs him so much money to repair that. And people don't know that, right? That's a little school teacher. He doesn't know. She doesn't know. And so they spend all the money, the $5 million that they won in the lottery. Yeah, and then the tax man comes. And then the insurance man comes. And they're like, what the fuck? What the fuck? And they become broke after 5 years. They get foreclosed on the house. So that house, gone. Because you can't pay property taxes. The cars, got to sell them because you can't pay, $500, $1,000 insurance on a Lambo every month. And they go down. And so that's what I want to show you is that if they had knowledge of how to make their money make money, like how me, like my money makes me money. If you give me any amount of money, I'll just make it go make money. Like it's easy for me. That's all I do. And that's what I want, hopefully, by the end of this thing that you guys are going to get to. I mean, I'm not going to teach you how to trade, but I'll show you the avenues so that when the money comes, remember, 2020 is when the true influx and when we should start offloading some money and getting our money right. By then, through this channel, if you come daily, dude, you're going to know some shit. Like I told you, go, and that's why I tell you guys right now, buy the book, One World Ready or Not. One World Ready or Not by William Greider. That is your base. That's going to be your base. That's your base. Read that book and you're going to understand globalization. Once you understand globalization, bang, I have another book for you. And I'm going to unleash that book in about a month or two. Because I'm assuming that you're actually going to listen to me right now and read that book. One World Ready or Not. One World Ready or Not by William Greider. And then I'm going to give you another book. And that book's going to show you how to set your mind as an investor. Because that's what you're going to need. When you get these millions, when you sell this warehouse and you get these millions, what are you going to do? Go back to work? Well, you can't just live off the shit. Remember, every dollar you spend, you're just giving your money to someone else. You have to have that money bring you back more money. Well, so you keep having more money to give out. It's a cycle, right? And we're going to do that around here. But bang, all right, holy, I got long-winded right there. But that's the true nature of this channel. I'm not just going to be, talking about just crypto. I want you to learn traditional financial instruments. Bang, and that's why we're going to talk about what? And another institutional trading platform ready to launch what? Ethereum what? Futures. I explained to you what a futures contract is. I told you to go get Investopedia. Type in futures contract. Bang. I'll give you a little description. A farmer plants his field in January. I buy a futures contract for 4 acres of that fucking is wheat or soybeans, whatever he's growing. He says, all right. So I take 4 acres of it. I pay now. Bang. Why? Because in the future, hence the name futures contract, when those soybeans are grown, guess what that guy owes me? He owes me 4 acres of soybeans, son. And you buy it at the price. You see the contract I bought. Maybe I bought the contract. Now, don't get angry at me. I don't know how much soybeans cost. So let me, this is completely fictional what I'm about to say. But, well, the way it happens isn't fictional. But the numbers I'm going to give you are fake. So maybe soybeans are, I don't know, $1,000 an acre. Right? So I bought 4 acres worth, $4 grand. So I pay him the $4 grand now. But see, maybe by the time I get my soybeans, maybe soybeans are $1,200 an acre. So see how you made money by buying it cheap at the beginning? Anyways, guys. That's what I'm telling you. That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn around here. We're learning investing, the real investing world. You want to know if your ripples are going to be $10 next month? I'll tell you that they're not. And that's not the kind of shit you're going to learn around here. So, there's been much talk recently about the possibility of Ethereum futures. Ethereum futures and their impact on crypto markets. That possibility has taken a step closer to reality this week as crypto trading platform LedgerX readies its Ethereum futures products. So I'm not going to lie to you. I told you guys already, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, they're already going to be classified as commodities. There was another story, man. I should have done that one. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow. But that's a big issue, like here in America and the world. How do you classify these things? Are these things commodities or are they securities and stocks, right? So commodities are like gold, silver, diamonds, or they stocks, just like a Microsoft stock or whatever, like that. Facebook stock or something. All right. And so that's the big deal here in America, and that's what we're waiting for. But Ethereum, that's why they have Bitcoin futures and that already, because they've already said the SEC. So the SEC here in America, that's the Security and Exchange Commission. They control all the stock trading and bond trading and just all that speculative activity in terms of finance. And they've already said that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are going to be classified as commodities. And so I can guarantee you, get your hands on any of those three, man. You guys are good to go. Well, once the institutional investors get here. According to Industry Blog, the block, citing sources familiar with the matter, LedgerX has an Ethereum options product which is ready to go live. Bang, they're already ready. See how they're coming. They're coming. That's what I'm telling you. You got to build your warehouse now, guys. You have to build your cryptocurrency warehouse now. Big money is coming into this market. It's about to flood this little space. It's about to flood this little $215 billion market. That's nothing. Man, that's $250 billion, man. That's a lot of money. Look. Okay. Look. I know you don't understand. You're a little worker bee. That's fuck all. There are hedge fund guys with more than that. Look. We talked about BlackRock hedge fund. $5.2 trillion under management. Do you understand the level? I mean, obviously, that's the ultimate. I mean, they're the ultimate hedge fund. But $50 billion hedge funds, $100 billion hedge funds, $75 billion hedge funds, anywhere like that, that's normal. That's normal. That's normal shit. And when you're in a little shitty little $215 billion, 10 little $20 billion hedge funds coming in here are going to double the market. Oh, and there will be. Oh, there will be many more than that. Many more. So you're going to be rich. You got to buy good product and get ready now. Why? Why do you have to get ready? Because another institutional platform is ready to launch. See, that's what we care about. Institutional trading platforms. That's the big money. Right? Institutions. When they get here, oh my gosh, they're going to drive the prices up. And so, you got to get your stuff now or else you'll be priced out. I mean, I don't know what your wealth is. I mean, for me, I have money. I don't care. You're not going to price me out of anything, but I don't know what your price, what your money's like. But man, I mean, if you can get, let's see what's going on around here. If you can grab yourself, a $6,000 Bitcoin. I told you, I think in 5 years, Bitcoin's going to be like 200 G's. Well, I grabbed some Bitcoin, son. $217 for Ethereum. Ethereum's already classified as a commodity by the SEC. There's no legal hurdle for these institutional investors to go through to get that. Ethereum's going to be huge. What's the other one? Oh, Litecoin's the other one, right? They've already been talked about. They've already been classified as exactly what I just said, commodities. There are no legal hurdles to go over. And then look, just get all this shit. I don't know. What else we got here? Oh, where's our boy down here? Bang, bang. Where's some VeChain and some Tron? See shit like this? Oh my God, it's 2 pennies. Come on, dudes. Get it now. Get it now. It's 2 pennies now. It's going to be $2. We talked about this yesterday. Q1, Q2 is when the big money is going to come pouring in. Right? You don't want to wait. I'm not saying wait. But that's when the start of the flood of the tsunami. Bang, bang. Let me take a look. Sorry, boys. I didn't even take a look. Oh, yeah. All on track. All on track. Look, that's when the tsunami is going to come. So you got to get your stuff now. Now while it's cheap. Because when that hits, what is this? $2.02 Trons? Yeah. Tron's going to be like $2 one day. One day. We'll have to see. Oh, and I'm going to, actually the next story I have is about Tron, isn't it? Yep. Bang. All right. So I want you to just understand the importance of getting your cryptocurrency warehouse built now, because now we have institutional investors that are about to invade the space, and they're just going to muscle all the retail investors. It's like, get the fuck out of here, kid. Get the fuck out of here, you old lady with your 1 Bitcoin. They're not coming here to play. A hedge fund isn't coming here to buy 1 Bitcoin. They're going to buy 1,000 Bitcoins at a time. Like, at a time. You understand? Like, you know, they're not here to buy like 1,000 Ripple. They're here to buy like, like 100 million Ripple. Seriously. Like, that's the level, guys. I know. I told you guys, I'm in the Forex market. We trade $5.6 trillion a day. Trillion. And so I'm bringing this story up just to motivate you to get your warehouses right. We went through Noah the other day. Don't worry, we're not going through that today. But he knew of an event that was occurring, and he got it. All right, I'm not even going to start. But he got his ark ready. And bang, when the flood came, he was happy. Bang, we'll leave it at that. And look, we know that in Q1, Q2, there's a big old flood coming. Big old tsunami of money that's coming. So, buddy, look, get your shit right. All right? Bang. There you go. All right. Anything else? Oh, you see? It's shit like this. Hold on. Shmori, man. All right. So watch this. All right. So they're waiting for approval from the CFTC for some more fucking even futures. But listen to this. Former Goldman Sachs trader Paul Chow founded LedgerX in 2012. Since then, the firm has onboarded billion-dollar hedge funds and a raft of what? Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Yo. Desert Market Garden or whatever your name is. Desert Garden. High Desert Garden. Bang, 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 brother. Bang. Hold on. Let's even triple bang it. Just go bang. Bang. Yo. Bang. The institutional investors, it started offering Bitcoin-based swaps, trading, and options in 2017. Blah, blah. Like I told you, you got to go to Investopedia. An option is it allows me to buy the asset at a future date for the price that I choose at this time. In a way. That's why you got to go to Investopedia, because you're getting the bullshit answer. So options and futures provide the trader with the ability to take a bet on a future price of an asset. In the case of Bitcoin, which was already high at the time, CME and CBO launched their futures. Many went short. However, Ethereum is currently at a low price, looking back at the past year, so it could be seen as a better investment for a long-term punt. Bang. So remember, futures came out last December. Oh, man, those big boys, the Wall Street boys, they just shorted the shit out of your Bitcoin. That's why your Bitcoin is so cheap right now. But because Ethereum is so low, they're saying that, oh, these Wall Street boys might pump it. In a way, we have to see if these are physical futures or not, but that's what they're saying. And bang, 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 it's not over yet. But then there's more. More Ethereum futures products are in the pipeline from CBO. However, They have also stalled at the CFTC hurdle, which is dragging its feet on decision making. Earlier this month, the CBOE announced that Ethereum products are ready, but they were still waiting for the CFTC to familiarize themselves with them. All right, and then that's the Ethereum price, blah, blah, blah. You can look at the chart for yourself. But good news for us, bringing in what? Institutional money. See, it's all coming together. It looks like it's all coming together. The Germans are putting together their thing. They said their thing's going to be ready. I think it was November, December. What else? Anyways, it just looks like it's all coming together for Q4 of this year and Q1 of next year, and then money is going to start piling in. So that's why we preach around here, boys. Build your warehouse. And look. If you're building your warehouse, a little bit of Tron wouldn't hurt. Look. I don't tell you what to buy. I just give you my opinion. It wouldn't hurt. It's not going to hurt. Let's look at their shit. So every day these guys come out with new news. This could be a Tron show. Obviously, we're not going to do that, but let's look at it. Tron's network would soon have its first decentralized exchange. Bang, with Tron Watch Market. So Tron is building its own decentralized exchange, boys. That's crazy. Seed Germany, the seeding platform developed by the Tron super representative Sesame Seed for projects working on the Tron network, now has another project in line to be seeded. Remember, so how the seeding thing works is how this, what's it called again? Sesame Seed thing works is it's like its own crowdfunding. So Tron people or developers, devs, they go, hey, I have an idea for a project. And then all Tron holders, if you like the project, you can donate them Tron, and then they'll build that. Well, apparently, some guy said, I want to build a decentralized Tron exchange. It looks like the Tron folks are happy about that. And bang, bang, his project's getting funded. Actually, there was another project. That's what I mean. I could make this the Tron show. There's another project called, what the fuck was it called? Anyway, it came out today. And it reached its soft cap already today, like in one day. What the fuck was that called? Anyways, hold on, let me even look. Let me just see if I can see it. All right. I'm not gonna waste your time. All right, so Seed Germinator is the seeding platform. That's that crowdfunding thing. Super Innovative Seed Venture projects working on the Tron network now has another project, Tron Watch Market. It is a decentralized exchange which charges a modest fee to carry out the transactions on the network. The aim of the projects is to increase the popularity of the network. The TWM tokens, those are these kind of special tokens on the Tron network. Like they're not TRXs. They're the other ones, which aren't sold during the token sale, would be burnt, and so would 50% of the fees which it collects for listing and discounts. This would help them decrease the total supply of the token as the DEX distributed exchange, DEX stands for distributed exchange, becomes more widely adopted. About the trading fees paid using TWM, this is what the official Medium blog has to say. We'll be creating... what's going on here? We'll be creating a non-profit contract anyone can use to buy and sell TWM tokens. This contract will automatically adjust price based on the current supply and demand. So your tokens will be by supply and demand. Our DEX distributed exchange will use this contract to exchange all trading fees collected in TRX, Trons, for TWM tokens at the time trades are placed. The value of this approach is that it drives volumes for the TWM token. The Tron Watch team and its affiliates will receive much of their compensation, that's how they get paid, in TWM, and will need to trade that in the future. Arbitrage traders, bang, bang, bang. Oh, we didn't even talk about this. Bob, you talked about rocking an arbitrage bot, buddy. Bang, bang, bang. Look, Bob, these guys are all open for it. They're already like, arbitrage traders will purchase TWM from our exchange or others to sell back to the contract in order to keep the price stable. Yo, man, Bob, brother, get that arbitrage thing, man. Keep me posted. That's too good. That arbitrage thing you're talking. So arbitrage, so if you're new or if you just don't know, arbitrage is, so I can buy, so here in America, I can buy a Microsoft stock for, say, $100, but it'll be more expensive, say, over in Europe. So I can actually sell, so it'll be like $101 in Europe. So I buy a shitload of Microsoft here and I sell them all for that extra buck. That's called arbitrage. You're trading off the price of an asset. So it's the same asset, but it's priced differently in certain jurisdictions than it is where you are, right? So, for instance, Bitcoin here is whatever. What is Bitcoin? Let's look. Right? $6,000, 6,400, 6,005, let's call it. Yeah. In flipping South Korea, that shit's worth like $8,000. So you buy a Bitcoin here and you sell it on a South Korean exchange. The trick is, how do you do that, right? But anyway, so arbitrage. So anyway, that's what's called arbitrage. Okay, that's arbitrage in the financial world. Bang, bang. Google that. I mean, look at Investopedia and it'll teach you better than what I just told you. But look at this. Arbitrage traders, bang, 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 Bob, will purchase TWM from our exchange or others to sell back to the contract in order to keep the price stable. So they're looking at, it looks like Tron's happy that there'll be arbitrage guys, arbitrage traders. So look. I'm not even going to lie. I'm going to look into this myself. So every token on the TRON network may be traded on our distributed exchange. There is no whitelist or approval required. It just works. In fact, we cannot block a token from being traded, as we will be using decentralized and immutable smart contracts. However, there will be too many to show a list of every option for users to choose from. To address this, we charge a listing fee paid in TWM tokens. And I mean, are you guys going to list a token? This talks about how much it's going to cost. All right, whatever. Fuck, let's read it. So adding to it, the blog said listing a token costs 150,000 TWM. 50% of the listing fee is burned, reducing the total TWM circulating supply. Token creators, including ICO and DApps, will want their tokens listed to help ensure adequate liquidity is available. This also creates demand for the TWM token and continuously burns TWM tokens, reducing the circulating supply. The best part of using the network is that the trading fees keep adding up, so that at 5,000 TWM, you can trade for free, something which would help in the adoption of the distributed exchange in the long run. So eventually, if you're a trader, what did it say? I guess after 5,000 TWM, you can trade bang, bang. You see how Tron does this? They're like, after that, you can trade for free. So that's the shit. And there's all this other, but that's super techie. We're not getting into all that. Bang. So Tron hodlers, man, this seed germinator thing. This seed germinator, that's this thing. Where is it? Seed germinator. It's basically a Tron go fund it, or, crowdfunding thing. And anyone, if you're out there, yo, Justin, you're a Forex. I mean, sorry, you're not a Forex. You're a computer programmer. Go build yourself a D app on and propose it to the Tron seed germinator. These people will donate the Trons to you to make it, like to make whatever your D app is. So that's cool. And like I said, man, I'm not gonna lie to you. I could have Tron stories every day, and I'm a major Tron hodler. Well, not major. I own I own a bunch of Tron, and I'm happy because this guy just keeps coming out. Like, I could do this show every day with a Tron story. Every day Justin Sun comes out with a Tron story. And, I mean, it's just good news after good news after good news. I mean, why Tron only went up 2% today? I mean, what? Luck. That's why Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Don't worry, I'm not going to harp on that. I know I always do. Bang. Anyways, guys, so let's get to wrapping this up. Shout outs and airdrops. Oh, that's the Justin thing. Oh, see, Justin schooled us right here. He said the next economic crisis will be a global crisis, unlike anything we've experienced in history. With deflation will come hunger and pain. Job loss will be rampant. However, this will usher in a new society based on AI and automation. The autonomous revolution will begin. Well, I don't know about the society crashing, but I tell you what, the autonomous and AI revolution is going to begin. And they're going to have to figure out a way to pay little worker bees who are going to lose all their jobs because there's not going to be enough jobs for worker bees. The thinkers are going to be the ones using all the AI and stuff. You're not going to need a worker bee anymore. So I agree with that part. And but that's why we're doing that. What's it called? The news thing is they're talking about guaranteed minimum income or something, GMI, right? I think did they try that in Denmark? Ronkes, was that you guys? It was either Denmark, Sweden, or Switzerland, that guaranteed minimum income thing. And that's what they're going to have to do because, I mean, look. You politicians can't force companies to hire people. And look, if everyone's just hiring robots, not hiring, but employing robots for their production, not everyone can be a lawyer. We don't have that many law cases. Not everyone can be an accountant. Not everyone can be a teacher. So they're going to have to come up with something. So I agree with this. Bang. And this is our guy. This is Justin Williams, everyone. Bang. You go to him. He's the minister of he's our minister of propaganda. He gave us the words, 8 words that we live by around here. Look, I know you hear the yap, yap, yap. Your wife, why are you buying all this crypto crap? Stop it. Your buddies, they want to go to Vegas and party, and you're like, nah, I got to buy some crypto. And they're like, blah, 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 why are you doing that? He gave us 8 words. Shut up, wife. I'm about that hodl life. You about hodl life? Bang. Well, that's what Justin's about. Go to our Discord channel. The invites are there. And what I'm about to show you now is there too. Bang. So this guy right here, Bob, okay, he's our minister of airdrops. And airdrops are free tokens, free pre-ICO tokens. Look, I don't fuck with ICOs. I told you guys yesterday. I know I read that ICO story, but I'm not encouraging you to invest in ICOs. Fuck that. Unless your shit's working already. I don't even put a penny in that. But if you want to get in there for free, I will do these, and that's called airdrops. You tweet a little bit, you Facebook like something, bang, bang, my little social media, and these companies give you free tokens. Yes, free tokens. Bob's been giving them to us for the past few months. I've got holy crap. Dudes, every time I go to my Ethereum wallet, I don't go to Ethereum wallet. What do? I go to that thing where I check my wallet. Anyway, whatever it's called again. Bang, there's just more coins building up in it. So go get that. Now, are they worth much now? Not yet. But if they get put on exchange, bang, you could end up with the gold. So go to @Bob844-11320. Bang. And also go to our Discord. And that thing called Bob's Airdrop Emporium in the Discord channel, or whatever you call that, Discord space, that's this guy here. And he's got them. So let's look at them. This is the shout outs and airdrops part. So let's watch this. DJ Polly, bang. See you, brother. What did he say? Oh, he's talking about some Venezuelan business. All right, I'll read that after this. So here's Bob. This is how he does it. So one airdrop. Hino chain. Bang. Go there. Follow these guys. Go there. Get your free coin. What else you got? Bang. Vibex chain. Bang. Crevacoin. Holy. Bang. Octopus token. Bang. Ethereum. You see, he's a savage. So you got to get these every day. It's not like once a week you're going to get airdrops. You're going to get them every day. Okay? Every day. Holy. Multiple times a day. All right, DJ Polly. World and Science. Bang, bang, bang. All right. Oh, physical cash. Bang. All right, here's the crew. There's Polly. Bang, bang. There's Ronkes. Son of a bitch. And who's this? Matt McDowell. See you, brother. Bang. BHR coin. See you, brother. And you're doing an airdrop. Gazprom coin. Gazprom is that Russian, the Russian oil company. All right, well, if they're coming out with a coin, whatever. They're going to give me free ones. Bang! Bob again, Beach Crypto. Wrong cares. Crypto Times, Bob. Airdrop out. Bang! Look, if you're new around here. This guy lives in Hawaii. He fucking airdropped through 2 Hawaiian hurricanes. Bang! That's, yeah. And so how we're seeing these, come over here, CB Newswire, at CB Newswire, bang. That's this whole cryptocurrency blockchain news thing. And then, like I said, the Discord invite will be there. All right, so let's wrap it up, get you guys tucked in and off to bed. Well, it's 2 in the morning, actually. I got to go because I got to trade in an hour. I still have to do my market analysis. But hold on, let's just do a couple more airdrops or shout-outs. Bang, Pluto, see you. Bang, Mr. Reese, see you. Bang, Crypto Times. Wrong cash. Bang, Johnny Giesbrecht. Yo. Bang, Daily Drop, S.se. I guess these guys are probably showing airdrops. Anyways, okay, guys, so bang. All right, let's chill it and kill it. Luck, everybody. You got to subscribe below if you enjoyed this show, if you had any information from it. And, that's pretty much it. My name is Shamari Clark. This is the favorite time of my day, and I'm not kidding you. Well, it's night, but whatever. For me, it's day. I'm about to eat my breakfast at, what are we at? 1:59 a.m. on the dot. All right, so subscribe below. Please press the bell button so you'll get automatic updates. Well, you'll know when we put these on, so you're not going to have to, come here every day or whatever like that. And that's about it. Look. My name's Shamari Clark. Bang, bang, bang. And I am always, boom. I am always on duty. Bang. Over and out. Always on duty. Over and out.